they are fairly simple animals in the grand scheme of things. Lovely though, and very cute. Quite endangered too, if I understand.
Hanging down.
And this one's camping out down in the roots here.
It's eating, actually.
Huh.
It's digging out stuff to eat.
That makes
Look
sense.
at it. Over little hands.
The hallmark of our kind.
It's cool. Teeny face. Really going for it too. Look at it.
Rummage, rummage, rummage.
Did you find something good?
I did find something. Nom 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 nom.